Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to integrate custom form in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard after logging in, and then from the left menu bar, click on the online store button. After that, click on the pages button, and now click on the add page button. After that, put the title of the page and then click on the save button. Then click on the navigation button from the left menu bar and then click on the main menu button. After that, click on the add the item that you have to add, and then click on the save button. So now after that, click the I button, and from the left menu bar under the template button, click on the add section button, and then go to contact forms. After that, you have to open Shopify App Store and then download the form builder app. This is to make a form or directly make a form through Google Forms as well. So copy the HTML and paste it under the blog post HTML. And now click on the save button. So that's all for this video. That's how you will integrate custom form in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.